Yo, back with some pickups from Supreme, part 2. Got 3 packages in today, so it's 4 out of 10 packages. Let's get it. This is from week 1 drop. Boom. Take all these out. I don't even need a blade. Boom. Alright, let's get to the packages. Supreme swirl sticker. Hell yeah. Elephant, Supreme, 1 box logo. This is the abstract tee. Got a size medium, black. Check this out. Man, I bought this and then when I took a look at it, there's a fucking penis, dog. It's a Supreme backwards and has a penis right there, if you can tell. I like the artwork though, but man, I don't know, man. That penis. Alright, get to the second one. 2 box logos. Elephant, 2 swirl, 3. Wow. Alright, that's cool. So I got the navy, size large, FTP tee. This is the Fuck the President tee. So, you know, Supreme has been voicing out their opinions on our new president. And so, yeah, here it is. This graphic, this navy colorway. Fuck the President, Supreme. Yeah, man. That's that. Let's get to the third one. Damn, no felt stickers. Box logo. Swirl. Oh, been hit, motherfucker. Been hit. Naked chick. So this is... I'm not gonna open this. I picked this up for my girl. This is a rib beanie, overdyed rib beanie in the light pink. It says Supreme, and yeah, pink. I copped this off the restock. This is my pickups from Supreme week 1. I got more pickups coming in, so stay tuned for those videos. So this is just a quick light pickup. Got more. Don't forget to comment, subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. And yeah. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video. Your boy out. Peace.